Today, I'll show you how to close a Citibank account. Whether you're switching banks or no longer need the account, closing it properly is essential to avoid any future complications. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure your account balance is zero. This is crucial because if there's any money left in your account, you'll need to transfer it elsewhere. Take a moment to review any pending transactions to ensure everything is cleared. It's a good idea to wait a few days after your last transaction to confirm that nothing is left hanging. Next, you'll want to cancel any automatic payments or subscriptions linked to your account. This step is often overlooked but can save you from unexpected charges or disruptions in your services. Go through your recent statements to identify any recurring payments and update them with your new account information if needed. Once your account is settled and your balance is zero, it's time to contact Citibank customer service to request the account closure. You have a few options here. You can call their support number, which you can find on their official website or on the back of your debit card. If you prefer a digital route, you can use the online chat feature available on Citibank's website. Another option is sending a secure message through the Citi online portal, which is a handy method if you want to keep everything documented in writing. If you prefer a face-to-face interaction, you can visit a Citibank branch in person. Just head to the nearest branch and speak with a representative. They can guide you through the process and ensure everything is handled smoothly. After you've spoken to customer service, follow any final instructions they provide to complete the process. This might involve confirming your identity or signing a few documents. Be sure to ask for confirmation that your account is closed and keep any documentation they provide for your records. And that's it. That's how to close a Citibank account. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free closure of your account. Remember, keeping track of your transactions and ensuring everything is settled beforehand will save you from any future headaches. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.